Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In our last video, we were able to prove our quadratic formula, which some persons call almighty formula. So in this video, I'm just going to be applying that to solve a couple of problems. So generically, we have whenever we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, which is a generic form of a quadratic equation, we can then say that x is the same thing as minus b plus or minus roots b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this came from our last video, just in case you're wondering how we got to this question. The proof is in our last video, and I'll link that to this video, to the description of this video. So this holds if we have our x in this form, where a is the coefficient of our x, where b is the coefficient of our x, and c is our constant. So to use that, I'm going to apply that in this one example. I'm going to have x squared plus x squared plus x minus 90 equals 0. So to solve this, we can just look at this and look at the generic form of the equation. Then we now know that our a, which is the coefficient of x squared, is the same thing as 1, because 1 is the same thing, x squared is the same thing as 1 times x squared. Then for x again, we are going to have b equals 1, and our c is going to be equals minus 90. So with this in place, we can just plug into our formula so that we have x equals minus 1 plus or minus roots. B squared becomes 1 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 again multiplied by minus 90. Everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So if we do this, we'll be having x as minus 1 plus or minus roots. 1 square will give us 1. Minus 4 times 1 is minus 4 times 90 is going to give us minus. So this minus will cancel that minus. We are going to have 4 times 90 is going to give us 360 all over 2. So again, x now reduces to 1 plus or minus roots. 360 becomes 361 all over 2. And this should give us 1 plus or minus roots. 1 plus or minus 19 all over 2. Because the square root of 361 is 19. So to solve, I can now confidently say that x is equals 1 plus minus 1 plus 90. Sorry, I've been using 1 all this while. So this is negative, guys. Negative 1, negative 1. All right, so we can now see that our x is equals negative 1 plus 19 all over 2, or x is equals negative 1 minus 19 all over 2. So this evaluates, negative 1 plus 19 evaluates to 18, and 18 divided by 2 is going to give us 9, or minus 1 minus 19 gives us 20. 20 divided by 2 is going to give us minus 10. So we can say that x is equals 9, or x is equals negative 10 are the roots of our equation. So I'm going to be checking to confirm that this satisfies our equation. So to do that, we simply plug this back into our original equation so that we have 9 squared plus 9 minus 90, which is the same thing as 81 plus 9 minus 90. So 81 plus 9 is the same thing as 9 and as 0. So 90 minus 90 gives us 0, which means the first root holds true. So let's test the second root. The second root is minus 10. So we are going to have minus 10 square plus minus 10 minus 90. So minus 10 square gives us it should give us 100, right? Plus minus 10 is going to give us a minus 10, then minus 90, which is the same thing as 100 minus, so minus 10 minus 90 is 100. So 100 minus 100 gives us 0 again. So which means our two solutions are 9 and 2. So thank you guys. We'll meet in another video because I'd like to still show one more example before we move to the other concept. Thank you and see you there.